Oh, hey guys, I'm doing some skate sharpening today. Had a customer come today. I just thought I'd show you a video. I got my Ottawa hat on, Ottawa jacket on, and the old Ottawa shirt. I did my first meat episode there the other day. I'll be doing another one there today. Nothing real major, just like more put sauce on the pork tenderloin there. Next week though, I'll be cutting up boneless pork chop and different types of chops here. I just don't got my regular butcher knife in quite yet. There we go. You put that in like that, and you put these up like this. This is set on 4, so it'll sharpen it 4 times. And my adjusting thing underneath, it's set on number 4. When I did figure skates, it was set on the figure skate thing. Here we go. So it's sharpened. Yeah, if anybody needs their skate sharpened, I'm charging $5. You check out my Facebook page too, Mike Skate Sharpening. I post videos on there sometimes too. I thought I moved my sharpener upstairs. This is a meat cutting table there, so I'll clean this after I get this off. I decided to move my sharpener up here. There you can see it back like this. I'll show you what it looks like here after we're done. Yeah, this skate sharpener works really well. I sharpen my own skates too, like I always do. I find they work really good when I was on the ice. They're really sharp there. I like having really sharp skates. So. Yeah, I thought it was a little warmer up here, so I moved it upstairs. I had it on my front porch, and now it's up here. Good thing about I'm not advertising, but the spark sharpener, you can take it anywhere you want to go. Yeah, if I want to take it to Perth or Glasgow, when I go somewhere, sharpen people's skates, I can sharpen skates. So, yeah. On the last stride here. I noticed these skates here don't have any laces. They got some type of wires that you tighten it with a switch. I thought that was pretty neat. Yeah, I've never seen skates with this on it there. You twist the thing. Yeah, the green light means it's all done. You take this off. Oh yeah, that's nice and sharp. Then you take this stone thing, go back and forth. There. Yeah, it's nice and sharp, as you can see. Yeah, it works really well. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. I won't, not going to show the other one, I just want to tutorial on the one skate. I'll do the other skate there now. Thanks guys. Have a good day.